Hello everyone, this is me Vanshika Chauhan, your host and news analyst, bringing you the latest updates with clear, sharp and deep analysis. NEET UG 2026, India's biggest medical entrance exam. Millions of students, years of preparation and dreams of becoming a doctor. But unfortunately, on 12th May 2026, NTA National Testing Agency officially cancelled NEET UG. Well, why? Imagine studying for 2 years, sacrificing sleep, social life, mental peace, savings, only to discover that someone bought your exam for 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 50,000, 30,000. This is not a movie going on. This is NEET UG 2026. Today, we will reconstruct the entire alleged leak chain using the investigation reports, police findings, NTA statements. Well, NEET UG in India is India's largest medical entrance exam, and more than 2.3 million of students are appearing for this every year. The estimate cost of this ecosystem costs nearly about thousands of crore. Yet in 2026, the entire system allegedly collapsed. According to the investigation reports and circulated testimonies, the alleged leak chain began near the paper printing stage in Nasik, which is in Maharashtra. The paper reached the doctor in Gurgaon. From there, it was sold to the contact in Jaipur, and eventually it reached the seeker, one of the India's biggest coaching hub. The owner circulated the paper and he even gave that paper to the chemistry teacher. On 4th May, after the exam, the chemistry teacher reportedly noticed the massive overlap between the circulated paper and the official NEET exam. A complaint was allegedly made to the local station, but no FIR was immediately registered. Then on 7th May, complaints were emailed directly to the NTA, and that changed everything. From there, they come to know that copies were circulated on the Telegram from the user Private Mafia under the name of the Guest Paper 2026. What made this shocking was the similarity. Rajasthan SOG reportedly found that 120 questions were closely matched to the actual NEET paper, which means that around 600 marks worth of the content was leaked. And the reports claim that the paper was sold allegedly around 2 to 5 lakhs. On 12th May 2026, NTA officials cancelled NEET UG 2026. Soon after, the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) entered the case. The reports claim that 5 accused individuals have been arrested so far. 3 from Jaipur, 1 from Gurgaon and 1 from Nasik. Investigators are now examining telegram chats, financial transaction and digital evidences. NTA has now officially announced that NEET UG 2026 will conduct the re-exam, and it will be conducted on 21st of June 2026, which is on Sunday. Now the biggest question is, will students be really able to trust the Indian examination system? This issue goes far beyond one medical entrance exam. Reports suggested that India has witnessed dozens of major paper leak incidents over the past dozen of years. 89 reported leak incidents, 48 re-exam conducted, and thousands of students affected. So why does this keep happening? Because NEET is still conducted a single offline paper mode. Like one paper, one day, also the massive security risk and the massive physical distribution of the paper. But if we compare NEET with JEE Mains, it clearly shows the huge difference that both of the exam patterns are totally different. Well, JEE Mains is a computer-based testing exam which has multiple shifts, different question papers, different sets, and of course the lower probability of large-scale leak. Experts, educators, students are now demanding the major reform in India's examination system. Well, exam must have multiple shifts, multiple sets, better encryption, digital delivery and AI-based monitoring, and also, after all, we can say that JEE style computer testing, because this is no longer just exam. This is about the credibility of India's entire education system. Millions of honest students spending years of preparation for one particular exam, parents invest their money, students sacrifice their sleep, mental health, social life and their teenage years. And if the paper leak continues, does hard work still matters? What do you think? Should NEET be permanently shifted to computer-based testing? Comment your opinions below. And if you really want more deep investigations and real analysis, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you for watching.